Happy holidays!
My name's Katie.
I'm Ella.
I'm Gideon.
I'm Jason.
And I'm Ashlyn.
And we're some of the grandkids. And we're here to open day 8 of Jenny Doan's Christmas box.
What's going to be in it this year?
It's so cute.
We'll never know.
All right, day 8. Let's see what we've got.
What will we get?
Some nice packaging.
Okay, clean open.
Yeah.
Yo,
Ooh!
yo. That's
So here we've got a book of wrapping paper. Oh. Okay, wait, that's so cool.
I love that it looks like quilts. That's really cute.
That's super
Yeah.
cute. Okay, wait.
I could see myself using this.
You could wrap some of your Christmas presents.
That one.
That was
color
super
scheme.
cute.
Yeah.
What would you wrap in this, Ella?
A charm patch.
Oh, that would be
that's
good.
It's a good idea.
Okay, I believe they come out bigger. Let's tear one out and see.
Are these name tags?
They're gift tags.
That's perfect. You can label your
Oh.
gift. Who it's to, who it's from.
Okay. Oh, that's way cool.
That's awesome.
So it's a little page that folds out to a bigger piece of wrapping paper. And they're good to wrap up gifts.
A little gift.
We hope you enjoyed day 8 from the grandkids. Happy
Happy
holidays!
holidays.